if you're trying to add in members to your Amazon Music account, and if you're trying to subscribe to a Amazon Music family plan. In today's video, let me show you how it is done. With the help of the family plan of Amazon Music, you can add up to 5 members, and all of those members will have a separate account. In order to subscribe or set up a family plan, you can open up a new browser and then search up for Amazon Music family plan. As soon as you do that, you'll be able to see the first link which says Amazon Music Unlimited Family. You can just head over to this link, and right here it says 3-month free trial of family plan, and you can just click on try it for free. Make sure that you log into your Amazon account, and then it will take you to this section where you can add in your card details, whether your credit card or debit card. You can also enter in gift cards if you do have one, and then click on the add your card option. As soon as you do that, your 3-month free trial will start. This way you'll be able to invite other members of your family or just yourself from a different device so that you can play songs simultaneously as well. So that's basically it on the way that you set up the Amazon Music family plan. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up.